Hey, I'm Derek Howell with Seller One, and welcome to Escape Velocity, a new series where we tackle the operational headaches that keep growing businesses stuck in orbit instead of breaking through. Over the next quarter, we're going to be deep diving into the 5 inventory nightmares that plague so many businesses that we talk to. And look, if you're dealing with any of these, you are certainly not alone. These are the issues that keep business owners up at night. First up, we've got inaccurate stock counts. You know, when your system says that you have 10 units, but you actually only have 7. It's the classic inventory lie that leads to overselling, disappointed customers, and a whole lot of scrambling. 2, poor demand forecasting. Either you're drowning in dead stock that's eating up cash and warehouse space, or you're constantly running out of your best sellers because you're relying on gut feeling instead of actual data. Number 3, manual tracking and spreadsheet chaos. If you're still juggling multiple Excel files, dealing with broken formulas, and just praying that nobody saves over that master file, this one's for you. And this gets exponentially worse when you add multiple locations or sales channels into the mix. 4th, we've got lack of real-time visibility. Your warehouse says one thing, your website says another, and your retail floor is showing something completely different. It's like playing telephone with your inventory and nobody ever wins. And finally, no reorder point system. Basically, you're ordering new stock based on how it feels rather than calculated minimums. This creates a vicious cycle of expensive rush orders, stockouts that cost you sales, and then over-ordering to never run out again, which just kills your cash flow. Every single one of these nightmares is solvable. And we're not just talking about Band-Aid fixes. We're talking about systematic solutions that can actually stick. In each episode, we'll break down why this problem happens in the first place, the real cost when you don't fix it, and most importantly, practical steps you can take to solve it, whether you're running on QuickBooks, looking at a new ERP system, or somewhere in between.